Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Gemini, what's coming to you ngayong October 2024 for Gemini. Okay, you have Moon in 7th house, Moon in Leo. Oh. So, maaring ngayong October, merong focus pagdating sa relationships, marriage, partnership. I feel like yung iba sa inyo pwedeng you will enter a serious relationship na magiging masaya kayo sa relationship na to, or you will feel deeply connected with the person that you're going to deal with. Kung kayo naman ay may may relationship na may asawa na, or romantic connection, I see you na mas magiging caring sa inyong person, mas patatatagin niyo yung inyong relationship. Oo, like for example, meron kayong mga gagawing mga fun things together. Like, for example, pupunta kayo sa isang lugar na kung saan mag-e-enjoy kayo pareho. Oo. Kahit saang lugar yan. O any activities na mag-e-enjoy kayo para mas lalo nyong mapatatag yung inyong relationship. Mm-mm. If you're single, maaring merong marireveal na person na merong interest sa'yo, pwedeng mag-offer to ng serious romantic connection sa'yo. Mm-mm. Let's see what else, Gemini. Hungry ghost, fear. Uy, may takot. Oo. Baka yung iba sa inyo, you are afraid of change, no? Na maaring yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa pagpasok sa relationship, kahit na merong potential na connection, natatakot kayo kasi pwedeng merong pang ghost from the past. Kumbaga, meron pa kayong trauma from your past relationship or past experience. Speaking of the past, you have records. Some of you, pwedeng naapektuhan kayo ng isang traumatic experience in the past na nagiging dahilan para matakot kayo in entering a commitment, whether this is relationship na romantic or pwedeng sa business, sa any agreement, no, na merong kontrata. Oo. Na parang magiging maingat ka ngayon in entering a serious commitment, whether relationship yan na romantic or sa business or anything na may kasulatan. And this is also about your past life. Maaring mas nagiging interesado ka about how you were nung past life mo. Pwedeng you are becoming more aware or conscious about your life in the past. Pwede nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magpapabasa kayo ng inyong past life sa isang reader ng past. Di ba may mga ganun, nagre-read ng past lives. So, medyo spiritual ito for you, Gemini. You also have water, which is your emotions. Emotions, this is also related to your sensitivity. So, maaring mas magiging sensitive ka sa feelings mo, sa nararamdaman mo. Ngayong October, you will be expressing more about your feelings. Mas magiging expressive ka sa nararamdaman mo towards someone, towards something. And this is also connecting to your higher self, to your instinct. So, maaring mas magiging heightened or malakas ang iyong intuition ngayong October. Okay, let's see what else. Overall energy nyo The King of Wands, you are very much motivated. Ngayong October, parang meron kayong mga gustong i-pursue. May pagka-action-oriented kayo ngayong October eh. Ito yung tipong pwedeng matagal nyo nang napag-isipan to, tapos ngayong October nyo nagagawin, i-execute. So you also have a lot of wisdom, knowledge. So you feel like ready ka na to take action after careful consideration. Kumbaga marami kang pinag-isipan, pinag-aralan, and now you are ready to take action. And you are also going to be very inspired, very creative. Ngayong October, you will do mga creative work or creative jobs, or pwede rin papasok ka sa isang negosyo na kung saan nagagamit mo yung iyong pagiging malikhain. You have the Six of Wands. Oh. So, this is triumph, tagumpay. Oo. So, kung ikaw ay magpupursige, definitely makikita mo tong tagumpay na to. Itong success na to ngayong October. Makikita mo agad yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. 'Di ba? So, this is about being a winner. Winner. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring magiging center kayo of attention. Yung tipong may mga tao na ma-attract sa inyo. Yung attraction naman, hindi lang naman yan laging romantic. So, pwede rin na ina-admire kayo dahil maganda yung inyong mga ginagawa sa buhay, nakaka-relate sila. So, somehow, yung iba sa inyo, you will be popular. Magiging sikat ka. Oo. Pwedeng dadami yung followers mo, yung mga nagsusupport sa'yo. You have the King of Cups. Water element na naman, no? Yes, very intuitive. So, I think ngayong October, Gemini, kayo ay nililid ng inyong instinct, na inyong intuition sa path na dapat nyo talagang tahakin, na kung saan mas magiging masaya kayo, mas magiging fulfilled kayo. You also have the Nine of Cups. Oh, speaking of fulfillment, there is wish fulfillment. Meron kang wish na matutupad ngayong October. And I think mas lalo kang magiging grateful sa mga blessings na natatanggap mo. Yun naman kasi importante, no, na grateful tayo sa blessings na ating natatanggap. Mas marami tayong blessings na darating pag ganun. Okay, sa money, career, finances, Ten of Cups. There is contentment, happiness, joy, prosperity in your finances, in your career. So, maaring pati yung family nyo, syempre, they're also happy about your achievements. Meron kayong pwedeng papasukin na business or anything na pagtutulong-tulungan yung pamilya na mag-i-increase ng inyong income, finances. Sa love life, you have the Eight of Pentacles. I think, kung kayo ay merong relationship ngayon romantically, ngayong October, lalo nyong tatrabahuhin yung relasyon nyo. Yung tipong talagang mag-e-effort kayo para maasikaso yung isa't isa. Oo, 'di ba? Hard work nga daw ang relationship. So, I feel like pareho kayo willing na mag-work hard for your relationship. If you're single, I don't think na bibigyan mo ng attention sa ngayon yung relationship. You will be focused more on your career, your finances. And your health. Isa pa yan. Yan yung bibigyan nyo rin ng attention. Ang inyong kalusugan. You have the Sun in Virgo in the 6th house. Pwedeng may mga gagawin sa iyong sa iyong sarili, like for example, magpapa-check up ka, or meron kang ipapaayos sa iyong sarili, physically, sa health mo, or you will practice self-care, self-love. You also have Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house. So, ayan, yung mga magpo-focus sa kanilang career. You will achieve something sa trabaho, sa business, sa inyong career path. And then you also have the moon in Pisces in the 12th house. Mas magiging ano talaga kayo ngayon. Malakas yung instinct, yung intuition nyo. And also, I feel like mas marami kayong matutulungan ngayon dahil marami kayong mabibigyan ng advice. Oo, parang lapitin ka ngayon ng mga taong nanghihingi ng advice. Oo. You also have Birds of Paradise. Display yourself to advantage. This is no time to fall for false modesty. Yes, you're going to be proud of yourself sa mga achievements mo. And hindi naman porket proud ka sa sarili mo, mayabang ka na. Kumbaga, alam mo lang yung worth mo. Alam mo lang na pinaghirapan mo yung success na ma-achieve mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.